Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about the FER protocol, why I'm bullish on this project, about the current price, the ways how you could maximize your profits, all the features of FER protocol, and about the potential price of this coin. And before I start, I want to say thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys for all your support. I did a couple of videos already about the FER protocols, and for those of you who are not familiar with this one, it is a DeFi project built on Cronos for swap the stable coins and pegged assets with low fees and no slippage, as they say. So the main reason why I was looking at this project back in March of this year, as this is one of the project of Cronos Lab, which is previously was named Particle B, and they're building the project like Tectonic, VVS Finance, also Orbit network, and now they also started promoting and launching this FER protocol. It is already part of DeFi wallet. If you open it, you will see that it is already part of the DeFi wallet. They make this advertisement already, so you could already start using it in the DeFi app, and I think it's also the way how it could attract more people. It was part of IGO on VVS Finance, and actually it's the first and kind of the first, second, better to say, but you will see now. IGO, which performed very well because the initial price was about 1 cent, and now the coin trading is on 11 or 12 cents already. But why it's different from other coins they launched previously? Those are Single Finance, Versa Games, Argo Finance. This is the fourth project launched on VVS Finance. So the main difference is that now you have the vesting schedule for this coin. So it is 10 months vesting schedule for those who was part of this IGO, and for now it is only 10% unlock of the coins. That's why people cannot sell off it all the amounts they receive. It is it will be monthly unlocks, so that's why the price behavior looks quite healthy or even bullish, because for 2 weeks we have 10x actually, so it's very good performance in this yeah, we could say bear market and very tough times for crypto space in general. So we could definitely say that it's very successful IGO. The way how I'm going to earn this coin, so it is some mines in VVS Finance. For now, my VVS xFER is sitting in Argo protocol for 5-10 days more, and then I'm going to put it in here in this mine, because it's available for 1 month, 22 days more, which is good. The APR is very huge. And later on, how I'm going to use it. So let me actually show you the functionality of the FER protocol. So it is pretty simple swap between the coins. So you could swap between USDT, USDC and DAI currently. I think it could be even more to add, but for now it is ZO3. So and when you swap the coins, there are some fees associated, and if you are putting the money in those pools with those assets yourself, you could provide this liquidity yourself, and you could earn some transactions fees for this liquidity pool you are part of. So that's really great. You could add this liquidity, and actually it gives you the opportunities to stake your liquidity as well, and we could see what's actually now currency reserve. So it's like at 19% for DAI, USDC 26%, and the most reserved is USDT for now. This is trading fees of 0.04%. Yeah, this is the information they show here. And now it's also the interesting part. So you receive this FER coin, sorry. It is something you earn from those pools as a commission. Also, it is something you could earn from VVS Finance, from those mines, as I showed. For example, like it is something I will do. You could also buy it, but it's if you're holding some XVVS, it's also good to earn free. So you could put it in staking with 9.28%, and then you will receive this xFER token, and you could put those xFER tokens in those vaults, and you could receive up to like 900% APR for now, which is very great, and it is something I also will do once I have some staked. Yes, it could definitely like decrease for the period of time, but it's still quite good. So it is like all the functionality of FER Protocol. What is also important to mention that they were audited and as they also say, you need still to do some due diligence. There are some various degrees of risk associated, like you should understand the risk involved, and they also provide this audit report, which says that critical issues and problems identified during the audit, they were resolved by the team, but still it is something you need to check yourself, as I think. So they say like the issues has been confirmed and fixed by the client. So in general, this audit report is good, and it seems like we could safely use this protocol, and I think it's something I'm going to do. And the main reason why I feel bullish on it is because it's part of Cronos ecosystem, and their family with like this particle be involved, like, so that's why I think it's quite good. For it's very early project, only like 2 weeks from the very beginning. It's very small amount of TVL, only like 34 million, 11 million of market cap, and it is 95 million of FER token in the supply currently. So what is also important to mention here, we could check actually their tokenomics as well, how many tokens is going to be in the circulation. Tokens supported, it's about yeah, it's about different stable coins. Yeah, Tokenomics is here. It is something they share with us. Public sale is only 0.5, 15% is going to the team. Ecosystem reserve 35%, partnership and operations 20%, and for liquidity it is 30%. And it's going to be, this is all those staked assets, and for example, once you are staking in VVS, or if you're having it in staking here in those vaults, it is those incentives and liquidity management. So it's going to be distributed over 48 months, so in 4 years, which is actually quite aggressive distribution, but it seems if they have some vesting schedule for even for the team 24 like months with monthly unlock, it could be quite good. So it is all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.